Welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to our YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when we upload a new video.
In today's video, I will be showing you how to change the location of where your Documents folder is stored in your File Explorer in Windows 10. This can be a great thing to do if your C drive is getting really full and you're running out of disk space, and if you do move the location to a different hard drive. If for some reason your Windows 10 system did become corrupted, you then won't have lost any of your important files or folders because they'll be saved on a different drive. So to do this, all you need to do is open up File Explorer. You now need to right click on your Documents folder and go on to Properties. You now need to go on to Location, and you now need to click on Move. You now need to choose where you would like your documents to save. So I'm going to go onto my D drive, and I've actually created a folder here called New Documents Location, so I'm just going to click on that, and you now need to press Select Folder. As you can see, it now says the D drive and my New Documents Location here. So all you need to do is press Apply. And you will now have a message pop up asking if you want to move all your files and folders from your old location to your new location. So if you do have quite a lot saved and you want to move them across, press yes, but I'm just going to press no for now. And you now need to press OK. You can also do this with your music, pictures and videos folders. So again, all you would do is right click on the folder, go onto Properties, go onto Location and change it where you would like it to go. And that's it for this video. I hope this tutorial did help. If it did, hit the like button below and subscribe.
Don't forget to check out my social media channels and forum.